Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet again with me Hawari on the Hawari Ambulo channel. How are you all? Hopefully you are always healthy, good fortune, and keep up the spirit. I'm sorry I have not made a video for a long time because I busy life in the real world. Okay guys, here I will discuss about electrical welding is welding tools to connect metal consistent of first a welding machine and second electroda and third holder electroda for welding hammer. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe in my channel. See you again.